Hello everyone, if you're trying to play 007 First Light and your game is not opening, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how to fix 007 First Light not opening on your computer easily. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to make sure that your graphic card's drivers are fully up to date. So the way you can do that is you're going to open up your web browser. First I'll show you how to do it on Intel and then I'll show you AMD and NVIDIA. You're going to go on to intel.com, click onto support, download centered in, and then you're going to click onto graphics here, and now you're going to search for your graphics card here, Intel Arc A770 for example. You're going to download the latest Intel Arc drivers and install them. Now onto AMD, go on to amd.com, resources and support, drivers, scroll down, click graphics, Radeon RX, select your graphic card series and then model, click submit. You're going to click your operating system and download the latest AMD Adrenalin drivers on your computer. Now onto NVIDIA, go on to nvidia.com, click on to drivers here. You're going to fill in this manual driver search form. So select your graphic card series, model, and then operating system. After that, click find here. And once it's done finding the correct GeForce Game Ready driver for your computer, you're going to install it on your computer. And after you're done installing the drivers, you're going to restart your computer. Once you're done with the computer restart, you're going to open up your games platform, which is Steam for me. You're going to right click on 007 First Light, click Properties, Install Files, click Verify Integrity of Game Files here, and then you're going to click onto Browse here to go into 007 First Light Games folder. The default location should be in your C drive, from File A6, Steam, Steam Apps, Common, and then 007 First Light. You're going to right click on the 007 First Light EXE, click Properties, Compatibility, click on to run this program as an administrator and also disable full screen optimizations. After that, click apply, okay, and then close this up. And now you're going to go ahead and try to play 007 First Light and you'll see that your game will not work. You'll not face those problems anymore. So there it is guys, that's how easy it was. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.